Hello guys, my name is Mugisha Emmanuel and welcome to this YouTube channel MugiCraft. Yes, and in case you're new here, please subscribe. Consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of these amazing skills on this very channel. Yes, in our last video, we learned how to make a round beaded key holder. Yes, and in case you missed that lesson, please go back and watch it because you'll be missing a lot from it. And today, we are going to look at something different. We are going to learn how to make a beaded necklace. Yes, as you can see, I'm wearing one here. Yes, it's really beautiful. So many people asking me how do you come up with that art piece, and we are gonna find out in this video. So keep watching. Let's start.
Cool.
Alright guys, so here we are starting. So we have our materials with us. We have our beads in black, as you can see them. Yes, and we have our beads in green color. These are the beads we shall be using, and we have a bit of the shining beads. Yes, a bit of them. Yes, because we shall be using a little of them. And we have our string, elastic string. It's elastic, you can see, 0.8, 100 meters, as you can see. Yes, and we have our scissor for chopping the string. Yes, and here we have this metallic designer, so it will act as a design on the necklace. Yeah, the lower design. Yes, so as we are starting, we shall get our scissor, or you can use any cutter. Then you get your string. Yes, you can get a measurable size. You can get your string to cut. Yes, so here we have the string. We have our string here. It's elastic. This is the string we shall be using. Yes, so the first thing to do, you first put the designer. It's the first thing I always do. You first put the metallic design. Yes, so this is the lower design, you see, as you can see. Yes, you can use any metallic design of your choice. Some people use a guitar, some people use different items actually. Yes, so for us we have decided to use the Paris one. So we'll first put our first metallic design first, so that we can try to find the balance of the string, as you can see. Yes, so the next thing to do here, we are going to be putting the beads on both sides of the design, you can see. Yes, so we can bring out the shine beads first. So here, hope you can see it well. So here we have, then we put even this side, put the two sides. Yes, as you can see. So here we go. We have started putting them. So we bring your green beads. You can see them, they are green. Yes, you put both sides, one this side and the other one this side. Yes, like that. You can see. Now we have started balancing them. So after that, now you can bring in your black beads. Yes, you put 5 each side of the string. This is one. We are on one side so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one. So you come even this side, you do the same thing. You put 5 of them. Yes, those are 2, 3, 4. Sorry, it has fallen. 4. Then the 5th one. Yes, so that's the 5th one. Alright, so we have 5 this side and 5 this side. We bring in the green. You can bring in your green beads. Hope you can see them. Yes, the green beads on this side, another one this side, just like that. So then you bring in the shiny beads. You also put one this side and another one this side too, like that. Yes, so again you put in green so that the shiny beads remain in the middle of the two of the greens. So put green this side and green the other side. So then you bring it back. You bring back the black beads to make all of them as they are, 5 of them, even this side, both sides of the string. So you bring in 1, 2. You put 5 of them. Yes, as you can see, I'm doing here. These are 3. These are 4 and 5. So you bring in even this side of the string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5, 5 this side and this side. So again you bring in, you put the same design here of the green and the shiny bead. So you can start with the green. Start with the green like this. Yes, then you bring in the shiny beads. And bring in the shiny beads. Yeah, both sides you put one this side and one the other side. Yes, so then again you put the 2 green. So 1 green this side and another green this side of the string. Yes, when you put like this, you see how the design is coming up now. We are forming our own design of the necklace. Now we bring back the black beads. We put 5 this side and 5 the other side. So as simple as that. So come again. First put on one side of the string. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, then 5. So even this side 5. So you can start 1, 2. As you can see, we are doing it repeatedly. 3, 4, 5. So I'm taking you step by step so that you understand these designs. You can come up with your own too, so it has no problem. So we have already put our 5, 5. So we bring back our design here. You can bring back our design here. You first put a green. Yes, even green this side. Yeah, to make them look alike. This side to look alike as this side. Yes. So you bring back the shiny beads. You can put the shiny one this side. Even this side. Like this, as you can see. Yes. So you can bring in the green now. You can put green this side and green on the other side. So as you can see now, our necklace is becoming big and bigger, longer and longer. So what we are going to do now, since we are almost finishing, now we can bring in the little black, but this time we are not going to put all the 5 blacks. This side you're going to put like 3 of them, then we tie our bracelet and we finish. Yes, so here we are bringing your black beads. You're going to put like 3 of them, both sides. 1, 2, 3, like this. So even this side, 1, 2, 3, like this. Yes, so here we are almost tying up our necklace. So what we are going to do now, as you are finishing, yes, we can bring in our shiny beads now. See, yes, as we are finishing, see our shiny beads to finish. So if you can decide to finish with the green beads, you can even decide to finish with the black only. Yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, as for this lesson, we have decided to finish with the shiny beads, as you can see now. Now here, the thing remaining now is tying. And remember, do not worry, because the string is elastic, as you can see. Yes, so the only thing remaining here now is tying up the necklace and form a very beautiful art piece. Yes, so here what we do now, you tie, you bring them up together like this. Yes, then you tie twice like that, like this. Bring in again, tie twice like that. Yes, as you can see now, I've tied. So after tying here, see when you tie this the design now. So when you tie, after tying, then then you bring in the glue now to make it stiff, so that doesn't untie itself, you know. So you can bring in now the glue. This is our glue here. You can open up the opener now. Then you get where the two joints are meet. Then you put some drop of glue on it, just like that. See? So you're done putting some glue. So you can tie it back. So put aside. Yes, then you wait for a few seconds until it dries up. So after that, when it dries up, you bring in your cutter now. Yes, now we are going to cut the unwanted parts now of the string. So here we are cutting off the unwanted parts of the string. Yeah. So here it is now. This is our necklace now. Hope you've liked it. It's beautiful, right? Yeah. So you can also try to make your own. You make it on your own at your home. Yeah. Either you have a workshop, you can make it from your workshop. So this is our necklace, and don't worry, it's elastic, so it can fit anyone, any size of the body. So thank you for watching. This is our necklace. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys, and let me hope this video has been interesting to you guys. And in case you want to learn anything concerning necklaces, please let me know in your comments. Please comment below so that I can know what you'd want to know or learn about the necklaces. So, and in case you want to reach on to me, you can follow me on my Instagram, MogiCraft, Twitter, MogiCraft, and especially in this YouTube channel, please keep subscribing. So see you next time. Ciao, ciao.